What is the best way to run AI on your computer? Today, we're comparing two popular tools, Pinokio and Ollama. Let's see which one wins. Pinokio is the Steam for AI apps. It's a one-click platform that lets you install and run AI tools without any technical setup. Think image generators, video makers, music creators, all in one place. The best part, you don't need to mess with Python, folders, or anything complicated. Just click install and you're ready to go. It handles all the messy stuff behind the scenes. Pinokio works on Mac, Windows, and Linux. It has a growing library of apps you can try from background removers to comic makers. Everything runs locally on your machine. Ollama takes a different approach. It's designed specifically for running language models like Llama, Mistral, and Gemma on your computer. These are the chatbots that can write, code, and answer questions. Ollama is simple but focused. You download it, pull the models you want, and start chatting. No cloud service needed. Your data stays private and local. It works through a simple command line, though many people use it with web interfaces for a better experience. The main goal is giving you control over AI chat models without paying monthly fees or sending your data to the cloud. So, what makes them different? Pinokio is a full AI app store. You get tons of access to different tools for images, videos, and audio, and more. It's perfect if you want to experiment with lots of AI stuff in one place. Ollama is laser focused on chat models. If you need a private ChatGPT alternative or want to build tools with language models, Ollama is your pick. It's lightweight and efficient. Here's the thing, they actually work together. Many users install Ollama first for chat models and then use Pinokio to add other AI tools. Pinokio can even connect to Ollama as a backend. Pinokio wins on ease of use and variety, and Ollama wins on being lightweight and perfect for chat models. Your hardware matters too. Pinokio apps can be demanding while Ollama models run on less powerful machines. At the end of the day, it depends on what you need. Want an easy all-in-one platform? Choose Pinokio. Want focused chat models with full control? Choose Ollama. Or do what smart users do. Install both and get the best of everything. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.